Students, welcome back to CLE Science online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine and doing well at your home. Dear students, in the last class what we are learning? We are learning about the birds. Okay. So dear students, just recall the things where the birds are living. The birds are living in the nest. Is it? So by the hatching process, or you can say after completing the number of days when the eggs are ready to break down, so the shells of the eggs are break down and the baby birds comes out from the eggs. Is it? So dear students, where the birds are laying their eggs, the birds are laying their eggs in the nest. Okay. So whether they are protecting their eggs from the another animals, yes, they are protecting their nest as well as the eggs from another animals like a snake, cat. So they are protecting their eggs from another enemies, or you can say animals. Now let's talk about the another criteria about the nest. So dear student, these are the nesting habits of the birds. So this is one of the model about the nest where the birds are laying their eggs. Okay. Now let's talk about different types of the nest which is present in our nature. Actually this is not a present in nature. How the human beings are building their buildings, okay, they are build their buildings, in similar way birds also build their nest. Okay. Now let's take our some examples one by one. Dear student, this is the tailor bird. What do you mean by tailor? Tailor who is stitching the clothes. So similarly the tailor birds, who are the tailor birds? The tailor birds uses its beak as a needle to sieve leaves. So how the tailors are stitching or sieving the clothes, in similar way some of the tailor birds, okay, the what they are doing, the tailor birds use is a beak. Beaks are nothing but the mouth of the bird. Okay. So with the help of their beak, what they are doing to do, they have a needle type of beak. So with the help of this needle they are sieving the leaves. So you can see here how these two leaves are joined together in the form of sieving, or you can say stitching. So with the materials like a wool and thread. So while stitching the clothes, what we are using? We are using the thread for preparing the clothes. In similar way the materials like a wool and thread, so they are also using some of the materials like a wool and thread. With the help of wool and thread, what they are going to do? They are preparing the nest, such type of nest, and this is the reason why it is called as a tailor bird. So dear students, the question can be asked, what is a tailor bird, or why these birds are calling as a tailor birds? Because they are stitching their nest. Okay. So from which body part they are stitching this or sieving the nest? With the help of their beaks. Okay. Because they have a needle type of the beak. With the help of this beak they are sieving the leaves and they are staying there. Okay. So this is the reason why it is called as the tailor birds. It is also uses cotton, wool, dry leaves to make its nest warm and cozy. So dear students, as in your home we are using the blankets, pillows, bed to feel comfortable while sleeping or sitting. So in similar way the birds also what they are doing, for feeling comfortable, for feeling dry, from feeling cozy, or you can say a comfortable life. So these tailor birds are also using the cotton and wool for preparing their beds in the nest. Okay. Next is the weaver bird. What do you mean by weaver bird? So you can see here this bird is weaving the nest. So these are the weaver birds. What they are going to do? These twigs and grass to make a every beautiful and strong nest. what they are using as a material. So when the human beings are preparing their or building their homes, they are using the concrete, marbles to give a proper shape and size of the home, or you can say buildings. In similar way, the birds are also using some new things. Okay. So the next hang from a tree and is made by waving the grass in and out. So you can see here how a beautiful nest they have prepared. So this nest is having the hanging. Okay. So this forms a tree and made by waving the grass in and out. The grass has a tunnel like opening at the bottom. So you can see here, this is the tunnel. Okay. It's have a proper opening which is used by the bird for entering and exiting the nest. So dear students, as they have a proper opening, so with the help of this hole they can enter and exit this area. Okay. So this is the weaver bird. Next is the swallow. Okay. So what happens, the swallow builds up its nest using its own spit. Okay. So with the help of their own spit they are preparing the home. So this home we are not calling as a nest, but this is the swallow. Okay. This is the swallow which builds its nest using its own spit. So the nest is made attached to rocks or a wood. So which type of building they have, or you can say nest they have? They have a nest which is made up of or attached to rocks or a wood. Okay. Rocks means the rock materials are there which is present in our natural resources. So these are the rocks, or you can say from the wood also they are preparing their home. So this resembles to shape of vase. So you can see here how these swallow birds prepared their home, or you can say build a building to staying there itself. Okay. Next is the woodpecker. So where they are living? So as you know that woodpecker are living in the trees itself. So the woodpecker builds its best inside the trunk of a tree. Okay. This is the trunk, means a male the stem part is known as trunk. So they are living, or you can say they are living inside the trunk of a tree. Okay. So you can see here, this is one of the hole. So where the birds are living, it uses to beak to create a hole inside the tree. So you can see here woodpeckers are nothing but they are pulling, or you can say has a pushing towards the tree. Okay. So this is the trunk of a tree. So with the help of their beaks they are preparing their hole, and as well as the baby woodpeckers they can stay there itself. Okay. So this is the woodpecker buildings. Next about the penguin. So dear students, where the penguin are living? Penguin are living in the north side, or you can say icy places. So it collects pebbles and small stones to make its nest on the ground. So what he has collected? He has collected some small stones to make a big nest on the ground. So dear students, this is the home of their birds. Okay. This is the home of their birds, and how they are preparing this must you miss to know. So dear students, till now we have studied about the nest of the bird, where they are living and how they are living. So here you have completed your chapter. So dear students, whatever question answers are there, I will leave as a homework in the form of PDF. In the next class we are going to start a new chapter, that is a human being. Okay. So we are going to start in the next class the new chapter. So just be prepared and come attend the classes. So let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.